Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Photo Department. Today I'm drinking some of the best stuff ever. This is Bedhatu Jubiko. I'm not saying that correctly, but I tried. It's from Town. It is an Ethiopian coffee. It's a washed coffee, so it's not a natural process, but it's really good still. Town's one of my favorite roasters in the Bay Area. Just consistently super good stuff, very local, great design. I love the look of their bags, and they have really great cafes. Unfortunately, their only cafes are way out in the outer Sunset, which is technically not that far from here, but going through the entire city of San Francisco to get there, it's kind of a bitch, but well worth it. And this coffee is served at different coffee shops around the Bay Area, so even if you don't get to an Town proper, you can still have their coffee, which is fantastic. I finally did it. I finally shot a roll of Kodak's new Ektachrome. I was really excited about it when it first came out, and I wanted to jump on it as soon as possible and try it out, but I have not really had any projects that I wanted to experiment with. I really wanted to try my hand at processing slide film at home rather than sending it out and having it developed somewhere else. So I wanted to make sure I had the chemicals and everything ready. I bought a couple rolls from Glass Key, and I've been meaning to go out and find something to shoot, but I didn't want to just do anything because I didn't want to shoot like three frames of this random stuff out on the street and then 3 frames of something with my friend and just a bunch of random stuff. I wanted to really focus on getting some really good images with this film to see what it can do if you pay attention and make sure your metering is on and all that stuff. So about 2 weeks ago, my friend Cameron, who's a really gifted photographer and artist in Oakland, sent me some images of some Ektachrome that he had scanned, and they were not great. They were super soft. They did not look like any of the examples I'd seen online before, and he had shot them in his Contax G2 or G1. He has one of those. I can't remember which one. But the contact lenses are renowned for their sharpness, and so I thought, ooh, uh-oh, this is not good. So I went into shooting this film cautiously because I didn't want the same results that Cameron got. Yesterday, I was commissioned to shoot a product for a brand called Beta Brand, based out of San Francisco, and it was supposed to be on location and natural light, all that stuff. So I got some really great shots, I thought. I was really excited to process the film and take a look. And then when I got the scans, I was like, no, damn it, it's true, this sucks. I thought that these images looked like garbage. I scanned them at the resolution I usually scan 35mm film, and I just couldn't believe how crappy the scans came out. And then I thought, these negatives, looking at them on the light table with the loop, they don't look like this. They don't look soft and fuzzy and like weird. So I tried scanning individual frames at a higher resolution on my Epson V550, and lo and behold, when I scan them at a better resolution, they come out looking a lot better. Scanning 35mm film on the V550 is a nightmare already because there's just not that great a quality with the scans. I get passable quality out of most of my scanning on 35mm, but it's not anywhere near where I want it, but that's for another video. I guess this film resolves so well and is so high resolution that if you don't scan it properly, or if you don't scan it at a really high resolution on a really quality scanner, your scans are just gonna be garbage, which makes sense. Here is one example I have pulled up. I didn't really nail the focus on this one. You can't really see it either because it's not focused on that. But I did get a bunch of really good photos that I really like out of it. So this is my first roll of Ektachrome, first time trying it. So I just wanted to share them with you. You guys can give me your opinions on how it looks. Again, I need to look at my scanning options going forward. The V550 has been great for 120. It's been great for most of my 35mm work, but scanning this Ektachrome, I'm really starting to see its limitations. So I think going forward, I need to figure out either am I gonna buy a new scanner, or maybe I'm gonna have to send my scanning work out. I'm not really sure. We're going to see later. But at this point, I'm really happy with Ektachrome. I thought I may have encounter the same issues that Cameron had, but it's obviously not the case. So I'm excited to shoot more Ektachrome. I've got another roll of film in the fridge ready to go. for whatever my next project is that I think would call for some really nice color reversal film. So here are the photos that I shot yesterday. These are all processed at home with the Arista E6 kit that I did by hand, following the instructions to a T. I think that they came out really great. All of the white balance was very neutral. The colors look perfect. So take a look, see what you think, and let me know in the comments if you like them or hate them. Thank you guys for watching another episode of the Photo Department. Follow me on Instagram at Christopher Sturm. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. I hate to say it, but I feel like people don't do that. I actually had to tell a friend of mine who was telling me that she was watching my videos to make sure she liked it and subscribed to my channel. And she said, oh, I never like videos. And I was like, I'm not getting that sweet, sweet analytics if you don't like it. So please like this video if you do like it. The last day of my umbrella giveaway is on the 30th. So make sure you go watch my video with the giveaway, follow the instructions in the details section, and then you too can win one of the umbrellas that I have here somewhere. Where did I put them? They're here somewhere. The deadline's the 30th, and then the vlog after the 30th that I post will have the winners announced. So people keep asking me, that's when the winners will be announced on the 30th. Spilling on myself. Okay, see you guys next time.